आज हम करने वाले हैं साबरमती आश्रम एक्सप्लोर। तो हम करेंगे आज साबरमती आश्रम एक्सप्लोर, ठीक है।
Gandhi stayed here from 1918 to 1930. Before he was in South Africa, he came to Gujarat in 1915 and start living here in Kochar Ashram, that is 6 kilometer distance from here. So with him 25 followers came from South Africa and he stayed in Kochar Ashram for 2 years on a rented basis on 40 rupees. Next, that place was gradually people associated with him, and the place he stayed there was become shorter for him, and he wants to do activities like farming, cattle feeding, and animal husbandry, making thread out of cotton and making clothes. So that place becomes shorter for him, and finally he purchased this land on 1917 and went to join Bihar Champaran Satyagraha. Finally he came here at the year of 1918 and stayed from 1918 to 30 here, and he started Dandi walk from here to break the Salt Act imposed by Britishers. So this is the place where Gandhi stayed, and the heart of Gandhi was here. So the Kaka Sahib Karlikar, one of the ashramites, he named it as a Hriday Kunj. Next is you can see the rules and regulations written by Gandhiji. Why the ashram is founded, what was the objectives. These are the 11 main rules. Means truth, non-violence, chastity, non-stealing, non-possession of property, Swadeshi, fearlessness, tolerance, and last is physical labor. So main 11 rules are there. Anyone disobey these rules, Gandhi used to make fast by not eating. So this is the basic rule, and this is the living room of Gandhiji. The ashram is 105 years old. So whatever you are looking is from that time, from flooring to wall and the ceiling is kept as it is. So the spinning wheel, what you are looking, is made used by Gandhiji. He know how to make clothes, but didn't know how to make thread out of it. So people of Gujarat, one lady from Mehsana, she gifted this spinning wheel to him. And when he found this spinning wheel, he said that I found my friend. And from that day, he used to make at least 1 hour making thread out of cotton by using this spinning wheel. This study table belongs to Gandhiji. He used to make wrote autobiography on it, pen stand, everything belongs to him. And this is the diagram written by Vinobaji. Whatever written in the diary of Gandhiji, this is how to develop our country. The base must be truth and non-violence, on which knowledge, how we get knowledge, art of teaching, love of mother tongue, you should respect your mother tongue. Laye talim, only the book, knowledge of book is not enough. So there should be one skill-based knowledge for everyone. So next is the progression of Hindi. When he have a tour to the country, all over the country, there are many languages in our country. So there should be one common language to communicate with each other. Next is food. How we get food if we are economically strong. Next is how we economically strong. We have to emphasize on the village industries, both of village industries. Next is equality. There should be equality in income. So can the people, those who are poor, they can be more poor, and richer should not be richer. Next is khadi. You have to make your own clothes and wear it. And strength. How can we get the strength? By guide to health. There should not be any addiction of any person. And rural health. Rural health should be the importance should give on rural health of rural society of our country. Next is rural sanitation. There should be sanitation in every villages of our country. Because if we didn't emphasize on sanitation, then there will be disease in everywhere in diseases. So that is the main reason of disease is the main reason how we become weak. So next is sociology. Service to horizon. See, on that time, the people who do the cleaning work, other caste people didn't respect him. So Gandhi named him as the people of God. So you have this. He said you have to service for them. Next is upliftment of women. So education should be education must provided should be provided to the women for their betterment. And if a woman will educate, then he can our country will develop because he will educate his family. Next is casteless society. There should not be any caste. Okay, so we have Brahman, Vaishya, Sudra. So there should be equality in our society. There should not be any caste. Okay, this is the diagram made by Vinoba, one of the strongest follower of Gandhiji, and Gandhi named him as the first freedom fighter. Writing table of his secretary Mahadev Desai. Whatever Gandhiji said, he used to wrote on it, and any decision about the freedom fighting was taken from here. And then Gandhi started Dandi March at the age of 61 from this place, and he take a oath. Instead of in spite of I could not I give the freedom to the nation. I could not come back to the particular place.